Alright guys, today I am going to unbox video of the Sprint casa system. This actually on their when you call customer service is called casa Pebble. Okay, how it take me forever to figure out what they trying to say. They trying to say casa, which is I don't even know how to pronounce it. C-A-S-A Pebble. So we're going to look, but before we open this box, I just want to say that this is a Sprint version of a T-Mobile personal cell spot that I have over here. This one is basically this T-Mobile cell spot is connected to the internet, and so is this device as well. This device is connected to your router, and so reason why I did that is to test which one is better. But when I ordered this one, they did tell me that it will not work with the Samsung S20 or any device that's currently connected to the T-Mobile 5G network. So whenever you get this, keep in mind, any device that's on Sprint, it's gonna work, such as the Sprint device from iPhone 11, iPhone SE, any device that still didn't transition to the T-Mobile 5G network yet. As the recording of this video is today, it is July 1st, so yeah. There is a couple of things that on the back, it kind of give you all the list, what's came with it and all of that stuff, and serial number, etc. And I figured this box is already open because the sticker is already broken, but I hope everything works still just fine. This is your instruction. You kind of had to keep it. Also, this is your box. This box looks like a giant big modem. I really doesn't like this giant big modem looking thing. It also looks like a big sandwich, or really doesn't look that great if you're asking me. So, and here's the close-up of it. Let's say, there you go. And you have over here as your USB 3.0. Really don't know what it's for. And there is power, and this one is for GPS, and over here is your Ethernet. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Over here is your only one light versus multiple lights right here. So this is your GPS. I actually have multiple of those things at my house, especially for the T-Mobile one. T-Mobile one definitely smaller than this one. So, but you cannot mix match. You cannot use this on the T-Mobile one. Over here is your Ethernet, which is pretty long Ethernet cord, and over here is your standard power cord. That's pretty much it. All those boxes, and that's it. I don't when I go on YouTube do some research, I really didn't find anything about this Sprint. They call it Sprint personal cell booster, and that's probably what I'm gonna name this YouTube video, unbox video, the Sprint Pebble or casa Pebble. So yep, this is your new Sprint device, so that's gonna be interesting. And it came out since October, I was told, but I never actually know that until recently, until July 1st, probably. I ordered it on July 27, I think. So yeah, so that's basically it. That's a quick unbox video. If you want me to do a review, I might just do it and let you know what I think of it. And till then, I am going to stay in the bright side so I can be, I suppose, more blinded. And that's it. Have a good day.